Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article by Tesla Roddy. So basically the title says Tesla Cybertruck owner shares insights after driving 50,000 miles. That's a lot of miles for a Cybertruck, right? So let's go over it. So one Tesla Cybertruck owner has shared a handful of insights in a new video after having driven the electric vehicle 50,000 miles. On Sunday, Cybertruck owner and YouTube host Tesla Tino shared a video detailing his experience driving 50,000 miles in the EV following multiple cross-country trips and a 5,500 miles to and from the Arctic Circle with the fellow Tesla community member, Bearded Tesla. So if you want to check out his video, you're more than welcome to do so. This video includes several useful insights, including details about his modified adventure rig, which includes a cargo rack and a carbon fiber rooftop, along with the use of a Starlink for satellite internet. Yeah, because sometimes when you go into a certain area, the regular internet might not be good. Starlink, you can go anywhere. Among the many insights were some details about the range and towing, which are likely to be at the forefront of many other owners' minds. So, compared with the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) 318 range rating for dual motor Cybertruck, Tesla Tino says he's now gets around 309 miles of range after reaching 50,000 miles. That is awesome. He only lost like 9 miles. He also reports that he consumed 25,628 kilowatt hours of energy by the time it reached 50,000 miles, with an average of 513 watt hours per mile used. Although he points out that this number may seem fairly high to some, he notes that he spends the vast majority of his time driving on the highway, as well as adding that he's a particularly fast driver. I don't blame him. On towing impact, Tesla Tino says he'll be able to get about 120 miles of range driving uphill while towing, and along with the about 163 miles driving downhill while towing. Unfortunately, he says that the Cybertruck is a perfect pickup for the average truck owner looking for versatility, durability, and performance, though he also notes that those regularly towing over 100 miles per day may want to consider a different options. You can watch his videos here. So I'm going to list the link to this article, and then that way if you want to check it out as well too. Tesla initially launched the Foundation Series edition of the Cybertruck, the one that Tesla has last November, with early deliveries commencing throughout the month of December. So now we can order, if you really want to order like they stopped producing the Foundation Series, and you can order the other ones. The Beast or the all-wheel drive. And if you use my referral code link, you can knock off $2,000, which is awesome. And again, if you haven't driven or tried a demo, you can go to any of the Tesla Service Center near you. Go to the website, check on it, and then you can just pick a date where you can do a demo. They usually give you about 30 minutes. Very quick and easy, in and out. Just need a copy. They just scan your driver's license and then hand you the key card, and off you go. It's really, really, really nice. So if you haven't done so, please do so, right? Because I'm pretty sure you will love the truck. Let's talk about on this one right here. So now let's move to the X, and this article is posted by Sawyer. News: the Lucid Gravity EV has received its official EPA range of 450 miles. This compares to Lucid's own estimate, so 440. So actually, Lucid is actually they're giving like they're promising like they're giving 440, but it actually achieved 450, which is awesome. So have you guys? What are your thoughts on this Gravity here, guys? This is like a Model Y competition, or Model, what you say, Model X as well too. Really nice. And starting with the Lucid 2025, they're going to use the Tesla port right there, as you can see. So that means that Lucid vehicles will be able to use Tesla supercharger, which is awesome, right? Because superchargers almost everywhere. You don't have to worry about it. And I believe if for a non-Tesla owner, you can purchase the membership to use this supercharger as well too. So more saving there. Yeah, guys. So that's pretty much it for this vehicle, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give a like. If you like the content, subscribe for more. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.